Hi and welcome, Queens. I am Queen Bubbles. Here we're about our crowns and owning our business. Okay, I know you're trying to figure out like what are we doing right now. So I'm just getting all the stuff. I know y'all seeing what's inside my storage. I gotta get it organized, so don't worry about it. This is inside my storage, and I have another storage at my house as well. But this is what's in inventory right now. I'm just getting everything ready for the bounce house, putting the bounce house in the car. It's already cleaned up, but just going to wipe it down before I go have to drop it off. And I see you guys in a bit. All right.